Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to write a program to check if a number is a positive number and also is an even number. In order to make sure that a number is an even number, we are having the following definition. If a number is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0, it means that that number is an even number. Otherwise, it's an odd number. So let me write it down here for you. So a number is an even number if that is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0. Okay. Otherwise, it is an odd number. So this is the definition of an even number. We would like to check to see if a number is an even number and at the same time it's a positive number, and at the same time is an even number. So in order to do that, to check that, to write that program, we are assigning number 4 to a variable called a, and we are using the assignment operator. Okay, this is the assignment operator to assign number 4 to a variable called a. It could be any name, whatever we want, we can choose it. And then, first of all, we need to check if this number is greater than 0, and then check the condition to see if it's an even number or not. And we need to use if conditions for that. So first of all, we are checking to see if a is greater than 0. If a is greater than 0, meaning that this statement is true, this part of the code is going to be executed. Okay. This part of the code is going to be executed. And inside these if conditions, we are having another if condition that is here. So if a is greater than 0, we entered the first condition, but the second condition is that if a is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0, it means that not only this number is a positive number, but also an even number. How do we check that? To see if a number is divided by 2, the remainder of that division equals 0. We need to use modulus operator, so the percentage sign 2 times. In order to find the remainder of a division, we need to use the modulus operator. Okay, so a, if it's divided by 2, the remainder of their division is going to be found using the modulus operator is equal to 0. Meaning that that number, if this condition is true, meaning that that number is an even number. Therefore, we are going to execute this part of the code which says a is a positive number. Okay, so when I run this code, this is why we are having this message being shown there. Okay, it says a is a positive number. We could have one else part here that is going to write down this message. For example, a is a positive number but not an even number. Okay, so when I run the code, I see the same message, but if I have number 5, I run the code one more time, I see this message: a is a positive number but not an even number. Okay, so what happened here? So a, it is equal to 5. So 5, is it greater than 0? Yes. Therefore, the first condition is true. It is going to execute this part of the code, but not all of this part. Why? Because we are having another if-else condition. So 5 divided by 2 and the remainder of this division, is it equal to 0? No, it's not equal to 0. Therefore, this part of the code is not executed, meaning that that number is not an even number. Therefore, it goes for the else part, meaning that that number is still positive, but not an even number. Therefore, it is going to print this message: a is a positive number, but not an even number. This message is being shown here in the output here. Also, first of all, we check this part: a is positive. And if a is positive, this part is executed. But what if a is not positive? So I write down this condition here. So print a is not a positive number. So I run the code one more time, but this time I have -5. So when I run this code, -5 Is it greater than 0? Obviously not. Therefore, this part of the code is not executed. Okay, but this else part is executed, meaning that it is going to print a is not a positive number. So in this video, we learned about if conditions more in depth. In particular, we learned how to have nested if conditions, meaning that one if condition inside another if condition. Okay, this is what we call nested if conditions. We learned about them and we checked to see if a number is a positive number and at the same time is an even number or not. Thanks for watching.